Hey guys, Loreli here with WTI, and let me show you one of my favorite mugs that I own. I am a Friends fan, as you can see. As soon as I saw this mug in my sister's house, I knew I had to get one for myself. And one of my favorite features is that it's big. Whenever I drink coffee, I like a lot of coffee, so it's the perfect size to make myself a big cup of cappuccino. It's really wide, so you can also use it to serve other things like soup, porridge, or similar foods. And something that is really important for me whenever I buy new mugs is the design or the painting they have. I want things that won't come off easily, and this is the case of this mug. I know that I'll be able to use it for years and it'll be as pretty as the first day because the design won't rub off if I take care of it, of course. As a big mug lover and a Friends fan, I must say this one is Loreli approved. So this is why I love this mug, and this is my point of view.